Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to calculate the area of objects and arrange them in a table in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. This Lisp will allow the user to label picked areas or objects and either display the area in an academic table, if available, optionally using fields to link area numbers and objects, or write it to a file. First, load the AutoCAD Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Draw some objects. Type AT to activate the Lisp. Pick a point for the table, then select your objects.